Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Let's see what we are going to learn today. I have this data set and I want to pull the words which says audit. Okay, so simple. I will say equal to. I have created a reusable lambda function which is keywordings source. I have my data set. I'll give the data set, comma, keyword. I want audit, comma. From where I want this keyword, I want it from my comment section, close bracket and enter. And you will see we got 84 entries out of 1000 entries of data set. This is exactly we are going to learn, and I will be showing you how to make a lambda function and then make it reusable on your other data sets as well. So please do watch it till the end. It will be a real help for me. Step 1, forget we are creating a lambda function. Just think we are creating a normal Excel function so that we can filter what we want. So first I will use a search function. I will say equal to search, open bracket. What is the text I want to search? Suppose I want to search policy. So I will open the inverted comma and write policy, 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 close the inverted commas, comma, where I want to search in the comment section. So I'll say Control Shift down arrow. Now to go up, you don't need to scroll. You can use a shortcut Control and backspace. You'll go to your formula. Okay, close bracket and enter. Now what search function does? It finds the position of the word we are searching. So wherever it finds that word, it will give you the position of that. If it doesn't find, it will give you an error. Now here we were searching policy, so it gives us 1. Here the policy starts at 10th position, so it is giving us 10th. Now suppose if here I add a policy, okay, and it will turn and give me the number. Now on this we will use ISNUMBER. What ISNUMBER function does? It will convert all the numbers to true and rest to false. So wherever the text or error is there, it will give false. So I will click on F2 and top of it, I will wrap the search function with ISNUMBER, open bracket. What is the value? The search function which we have already written, close bracket and enter. And now you see wherever the number was there, it was true, and wherever the number was not there, it is false. Now on this, we can use a filter function, because what filter does, wherever it finds the true, it will give you the data of that whole thing. And wherever it finds false, it will ignore those. So I'll click on F2 again and I'll come here, and now I will use a filter function. What is the array? My data set. I will take my data set, Control Shift right arrow and down arrow, and to go up I will press Control and backspace. So I'll go to my formula, comma, what I want to include, the ISNUMBER and search which we have already written. I will close the bracket, I will say enter, and you will notice the data set which we had of 1004 rows, we got only 251 entries wherever it find the word policy. Okay, so this is how we have set our function. Now suppose instead of policy, I want booking. I'll say BOOKING, booking, enter, and we got how many? We got only 112 wherever it found the booking. So if you see this comment section, booking, it can come first, middle or last, wherever it is. Now we will make a lambda function where it will be very easy for us and it will be a reusable function. So for that, I will just copy this formula once. Now if you see this formula, we are using 3 inputs. One input what we are giving is the data set, okay, A22H1005. Second input is the word what we are searching. Here we are searching booking, so that is the word, that is the second input. Third input, where we are searching this, in the comment section, so that is the third input. Okay, remember this. Now we will write a lambda function. I'll just delete this. So I'll say equal to lambda, open bracket. The 3 inputs you remember, right? One was the data set, so we can give any name to it. Let's give a name as source, okay, comma. Second was the word, so for that we can give keyword, comma. Third one was the column we were searching for, so we can just give a name as column, okay, comma. Now we will write our function which we have copied. I'll just say Control V, and you see we have written our function. Now what I will do, wherever A22H1005 is there, I will write it as source. Booking, I will write it as keyword, and this one I will write it as comment. Okay, so I will remove this and I will change it to source, and then I will remove the booking and I will write it as keyword, and then I will remove this one and I will write it as column. Okay, and I'll close the bracket for lambda function. I'll say enter. You don't have to worry now, it is showing calc. Simple. What you will do, again you will copy this, you'll go to formula, name manager, new, give the name for the lambda. Let's give key wordings, or you can give anything, and I will change this refers to the function which we have created, the lambda function. I'll say okay, and I will say close. I'll say equal to keywordings. Now you see our reusable function name is appearing, And here I just need to give 3. I don't have to write the entire formula. Source. What is the source? Source is my data set, comma, keyword, what I want to search. Now it's up to you. You want to search from comments column, status column, any column you can do. Let's say I want to search pending from status column. So I'll just give a keyword pending. And now this pending is in which column? This column. So I'll just take this column. Close the bracket. To go up, control backspace to go to your formula, enter, and you will see we have filtered out only the ones with the pending, which is 2, not 1 entries. Now if you see, we started with comments, but now we can reuse for the other columns as well. And not only this, what you will do is, suppose you have another data set in another sheet. Okay, so I'll just go to name manager and copy the lambda function. And this is my new data set. What I will do, I'll go to formula, name manager, new. I can give any name for my lambda. Let's give wording for now. And then I will add that formula here, the lambda function which we have created. I will say okay and I'll close. Now if you see, I'll say equal to wording, and you will notice that our reusable function is appearing here. What is the source? This is the source, comma, keyword. Suppose this time I want to search the employee. I'll say Priya. So I'll say Priya, comma, from which column? From this column, close bracket and enter. And you see, we got it. Now suppose Priya is here also. Priya, Priya. We got even that. If you like this tutorial and the explanation, please do consider subscribing. Thank you so much.